चॅनलचं नाव काय?
साकेत.
साकेत भैया यांचा.
Ready? Notebook LM. Sign in with the Google account. So you guys remember, right, how I tried Notebook LM in the demonstration? Look for a topic that you want to study, figure out different sources and get started on Notebook LM. Whatever topic you want to study, what you have in your subjects, maybe in your projects, get started.
कॉलर में नेट नहीं है, केबल लगना है अच्छे से, तो नहीं रहेगा। मैं बता
Guys, get started with Notebook LM. Search for a topic that you want to learn about. And one more addition here is that you have to write something on a regular paper, a normal paper, your handwritten note. Click a photograph, add it as a source. Clear? Easy instruction. On your notebook, on your normal notebook, on a white paper, write something, add it as a source, and see whether it is able to read the information. Ready? Take all points of sources, all kinds of sources, add it to Notebook LM, and also write a handwritten note and add it as a source, an image source. visit करेगा you see come on guys smart work ये नोट देखो सब फोटो देखो The idea is to check whether it is able to read your handwritten notes. ठीक है? So test it out, try it अभी. इससे बहुत सारा काम सॉल्व हो जाएगा. लेक्चर में जो नोट्स आप लिखते हो, वो आप इसके थ्रू प्रोसेस करते हो. Easy? Image form. Yeah. PDF है ना? पूरा handwritten notes. Come on, tell me the output. Is it able to read? Handwritten notes. Tell me, is it able to read your handwritten notes? Yes or no? Do you guys see in text references numbers दिखाई दे रहे हैं इसमें जो आउटपुट आ रहा है उसमें? You guys see in text references दिखाई दे रहे हैं? Revisit those sources. Click on those numbers which you see and try to reach or backtrack to that original source. Check करो. Are you able to reach to the old source, the original source? Now see, I am trying it on one website. Right now I am adding a website here. I get the summary for it, I get all the things what are necessary. Mind map. Try creating a mind map, try creating those study notes, frequently asked questions. Is it working for you? Now see, I can even chat with this data. So if I ask here, start typing, I'll just say, can you create a story on Digital India? See, now an advanced level example. You want to create a story on basis of your sources. On the basis of your sources, how do you do it? So I can even chat with that data. So let's say I have PDF of financial data and I need to understand like what is that data exactly, what are the different insights from it, so I can get it. Similarly, now here if you see, I just gave it one website, Digital India, and I said, can you generate a story with 3 characters? See, it is able to give me a story with 3 characters and its impact, whatever is necessary. And I can again revisit those sources. You see here, I can go with in-text references. I can reach to those sources and validate, okay, this was picked from this particular section, this particular source. Easy? So that's where you can like navigate through heavy research documents, your handwritten notes using Notebook LM. Additionally, you also have the chance to create a podcast. We created it in the demo which we did. Here I can create mind maps as well. See, I am creating a mind map. Whatever is in progress, you would see it on the right hand side. So the mind map is ready. See, for Digital India, whatever initiatives or topics are discussed, I can deep dive into each of them and check out relevant information. Clear? Easy? Now you would say, sir, this is a diagram which is created by AI. What if I have to create a diagram based on my text? You want to learn that? How to do that using AI? Like for example, some time ago I showed you those 4 circles in my presentation. Let's say you want to generate something like this. How do you do that? One way to do it is go on Microsoft PowerPoint, create concentric circles, align them manually. It takes a lot of time. Second way to do it, go on canva.com, try it out. Many platforms, Paint, even Microsoft Paint can help us achieve the same output. But what if I say you can just do it on one click using AI? And you can even customize the text, edit the text as you want. You guys want to try that out? Okay, so let's go to this tool, Napkin AI. Have you guys tried this out? Napkin AI? Go on napkin.ai. Ready? Napkin AI. I am just going to create my first napkin. I have two options here. First, by pasting my text content by generating text using AI. Let's go with the second option first and try it out. So I will just say, let's say, new education policy. See, AI will automatically generate. This is nothing new. We all are aware, right? What napkin AI is going to do differently? Now I'll show you. So it has written a beautiful essay on national or new education policy, national education policy 2020 India. Now let's say I want to generate, I have these points. I don't want to write this whole text. Instead, I just want a diagram on these key points. What will I do? I have just picked it, I have just selected the text, and I click on create a visual. It is automatically detecting that text and trying to create a visual for me. Ready? You see the output? Is it nice? I have multiple options to select from. You see here. How much time did it take? Not even a minute. I just gave it the text and it has created beautiful designs. I can pick any of these and add it to my presentation or whatever I want to create. Is it interesting? So let's see, like I like this kind of a diagram. I select this. I have more options to customize, whether I want it in the normal text, playful text, I want it in dark colors. I have got all kinds of customizations available here. I can select it and this is ready. Is it interesting? Try it out, come on your text, whatever text you want. If you guys really like the diagrams, give a clap for yourself. Now they are gonna clap 2 minutes later because they heard it. Okay, but that's how you create amazing designs and diagrams for whatever you want to explain, for whatever you want to create. Okay, so that's Napkin AI. Now here I have an option to download the design for free. See, I have export options in PNG, SVG, PDF, EPT. I just download in PNG, in a second I will get it. The light thing is on. That's why I'm not trying to do anything else. See, you will find an option to download. On my screen, because this live is on, I'm not able to go out, zoom out, but you will find an option to download. Just try downloading it and checking the output. How is the output? Yes, export. Try in PNG or PDF version. Done? Shall we move on to the next tool? This is fine. So till now you learned how to generate music, you learned how to generate diagrams or creatives. We learned how to read through sources for research using Notebook LM, right? We also learned Google AI Studio, how to talk to AI and share our screen and get help. Now I'll do one more new thing, but I don't know whether it will support you. If I turn on the video camera, it's fine. So now I'm again on Google AI Studio. Now I'm gonna turn on the web camera. Hi Google AI Studio. Hey Google AI Studio, can you hear me? I do it on someone's system which has a speaker. Speak. Hey AI Studio, can you hear me? Speaking then, not able to speak. I guess because the resources are already live. Okay, what I am trying to show you here is like you can directly turn on the camera and ask it about anything. If you have a mobile phone in your hand, you say, describe this.
Sure, I can help with that.
Exactly, give
To
you the
get started,
figures.
could you please click on the image icon at the bottom of your screen?
Okay. See, it won't speak for me here because I have YouTube live going on. But in your case, it will speak as well, okay? My resources, camera and mic are currently deployed for YouTube. But in your case, it is free, so you can try. Hey Google AI Studio, can you tell me which is this phone? So you just need to do this, what I'm doing. It is not generating output for me, but for you it will work, right? Just turn on the camera and show him maybe your notebook or something and ask what is it, describe it, help me understand more features, all that. It won't work because the sources are.
Great! That appears to be a smartphone. Great. Is there anything specific you would like to know about it?
On desktop, you won't have the camera option. You will have to try it on your laptop, which has an integrated camera.
That appears
But you got the gist
to
of
be a
it, right?
smartphone.
What is to be
Is
done?
there anything
Let's say
specific you
tomorrow
would like to know about it?
see which is the better mobile phone. You show both Android, iOS, and compare it. Will do it for you.
That appears to be a smartphone. Is there anything specific you would like to know about it? That appears to be a smartphone. Is there anything specific you would like to know about it?
Can you guys hear that? It is speaking, but on that end, not here. Mic is active, you are not here. It's fine. Technical. You got it? So I just showed it the phone, it said, that's great, it's an iPhone. And it gave you the description. That's how it works. Let's move on to Perplexity. How many of you have used it? One good part about Perplexity, the founder is an Indian guy. That's why I want to show it, actually. Do you know the founder? Just search on Perplexity, who is the founder of Perplexity. Come on. Mr. Arvind, give you the half answer to it already. And one good thing about Perplexity is soon to be acquired by one of the biggest tech giants. Anyone? It is soon to be acquired by Apple. Just check. You have Perplexity on your hands. Come on. Guys, the best part about Perplexity is that it can run multiple models just on this interface. You don't have to go to ChatGPT or Claude or any other platform. See the beauty. I am just clicking here. I get to select Sonar, the Perplexity model, Claude GPT 4.1, RT, that is the reasoning model from DeepSeek. Then again Grok O3, O3 Pro, all kinds of models. So you could just think of this like a bundle of all different AI models live in the market, all in one place. That's what distinguishes Perplexity than the other competitors. It is called an AI wrapper. W-R-A-P-P-E-R, not the R-A-P-P-E-R. Okay? So it is an AI wrapper where it wraps different models together and you get to select what you want to use. So who's the founder of Perplexity, by the way? Yes, our Indian guy, and Apple is soon to acquire it. So it's a very proud moment for all of us, and I definitely make a point to share this whenever we have such interactions. So this is one good thing. Second good thing about Perplexity is that you can even check on academic research papers. You see here, then you have the option to also check on social discussions on platforms like Reddit, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. You name any platform, it can also go to social media content and give you the information. And again, it can also go through finance related data. And all of this is free to get started. Of course, for higher advanced cases, you need the paid model. But for free version, daily you get 3 paid searches, like premium searches. So it's enough, right? 3 good searches. Again, you have the possibility to speak and give it the commands. You can, like, again, dictate and get the commands. You can attach files. I'm not attaching anything from here, but you can attach files and get summarized versions, descriptions, maybe translations, all that is possible. Here it has the option to also do deep research. So if you want to research something in depth, you can use it through here. If you want to create something from scratch, a project, you can do it using Perplexity. Okay? So that is Perplexity for you. Let's try. What do you want to learn about today? Give me something. Maybe jobs. Let's understand the job market. Yeah? See, currently, now when I search anything, it is giving me the sources. I can just check the sources as well. Whatever I want to search through. It is secondly checking images, if there are any images that it is able to figure out relevant to it, and it is giving me the final answer like this. So here I have a complete answer with in-text references, and additionally I have also got related questions, like relevant questions which are related to the topic. So if I want to study any of the particular questions, it is already ready, it gives me the answer to it as well. So now which one do you like, ChatGPT or Perplexity? Okay. So it is giving me all this. Now you see the sources are limited to like 10 sources. And you're like, sir, now we don't trust only 10 sources. We need hundreds of sources. What do we do here? We come back, we go here. Now I did it with Pro Search. I think this is now upgraded to like deep research. You'll have to get Pro. But what I can do is I come back here and I add some things. Either I give some PDF or something, or I'll do one thing, I'll create a new chat. Now I have the option. When I'm starting with a conversation, I have an option to select. How should this discussion be shaped? Should it have academic references? Should it have social media references? Should it have finance related experiences, references? Now if I ask the same question, yeah, the same question. Now check the number of sources. Right? So now you are more sure about this thing that yes, hiring trends, now I have the complete information about it because it is discussed on social media, it is discussed on academic papers, and this is how I have got my output. I have the sources. If there are any images to be generated or it has found some images for your PPT, it has even given you images. So you don't need to go on Tally 3 and manually generate every image, it is already giving you everything ready. You again get answer, a text, script, whatever you want, and this time it is more detailed compared to the previous one. Because now I had added extra references. Is it interesting? So that's Perplexity for you. Again here you can try different models. Now I have selected the best model. I have given him the chance, the model the chance to select whichever you want, you select. But if you feel no, I am more happy with how Claude responds, or maybe I like how ChatGPT responds, you can select that particular model. Okay? Are you guys hungry? Knowledge hungry or food hungry? Both. You guys tell me. Because I know after lunch no one will be here. That is trends in engineering college. So now on these similar lines, there is another model by the name Grok. Have you tried Grok? Even Grok gives you very detailed answers, very smart answers, which you can make use of. Yeah? Try Grok in the similar manner and try to compare outputs, what you got on Perplexity or the same question, and then on Grok. will have a feedback form. And I'm not just going to take your responses and keep it for some future reference. I want to analyze it live here. So every one of you will have to fill your original feedback. Genuine feedback. How did you feel today's session was? What did you learn? What were your key takeaways? How was I as a facilitator? How was the whole organizing team? Write everything. Give minute details and we will do it live. That is our final activity before our lunch break. Okay? Ready? So now you guys are motivated. You're gonna get the lunch break. Yeah. So which is better, Grok or Perplexity? Okay, interesting. Guys there, which is better, Perplexity or Grok? Anytime. Indian. Who likes Tesla? So how many for Perplexity? How many for Grok? No one. Yes, guys, how many of you like Perplexity? Grok? ChatGPT? So guys, like our subjects, all our learners now have concluded Perplexity is the best model. Okay? Because it gives you so many features at no cost. And Elon Musk just asks for subscriptions. That's why. Grok. Grok is one thing, if you want to use Grok, like advanced features, use the X app, the Twitter app. It is internally interlinked to the application, you can use it there. Okay? Yes. Everyone, your data now. After scanning this QR code, you will reach to my website where you will find a Google form embedded. You need to fill in your original response. No fabrication allowed, no answers from ChatGPT allowed. Okay? You have to fill it on your own. How did you like the session? What was it? What were your key takeaways? Everyone. on emails. I'll have your emails after this. Yeah. Once you submit, you will find a link to the community. I have created a community of learners from different colleges. You want to join me? That's all. But I will pass you the presentation on email. Okay. So fill it with accurate details. Don't miss on anything. And give me genuine feedback.
गाइस सबका अटेंडेंस हो गया इसमें लिखा हुआ
What is the number? 33. We have the exact head count. उतने responses.
कहाँ से बाकी है तुम लोग का बाकी है पास करते हो
Done? How many of you have actually responded? Okay. This side, come on. Done? Feedback done? Don't just write food session. Give me actual feedback. I want the AI boost button while it is analyzing data. Give it that, okay, it was a session, we learned this, we wanted this, we missed this, something like that. Done guys, everyone? Here? I hope you have not just written good, bad, you have written actual detailed feedbacks because that is necessary for data analysis. Done guys? Here? Is it done? start analyzing. Done? Everyone done? Feedback? Okay. You remove that and just give it to you in a minute. Just give me a minute. I'll have to just keep the responses for today. Today is 16th. Guys, ready? I have the data ready here. These are the feedbacks which I received. See if these are your friends who have written this. Which model do you want? Perplexity?